Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the watch to at least 20% and power it on so pairing can complete reliably. Once done, enable Bluetooth and, if prompted, location services on your phone because many phones require it to scan. Next, open the watch's pairing or settings menu and activate pairing mode. You'll often see a Bluetooth icon or a code. Make sure the companion app is installed and ready. Starting the app now speeds discovery and handles any device-specific prompts. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings or the companion app and start scanning. The watch should appear as a model name or ID. Tap that entry, then confirm any PIN or pairing code shown on both devices. This prevents connecting to the wrong device. After pairing, the app will usually ask for permissions. Allow notifications, contacts, location, and background refresh so syncing and alerts work properly. Take a moment to enable automatic reconnect in the app or phone Bluetooth settings so you don't repeat manual pairing later. Complete the setup by syncing data, time, activity metrics, watch faces, and any app-specific settings so the watch behaves as expected. Then test core functions. Receive a call or message, control music playback, and check heart rate or GPS if available. If everything works, enable automatic updates to keep firmware current. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices, update the phone and watch firmware. Forget the device on Bluetooth and retry pairing. This clears common connection glitches and usually resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.